It's your girl Scotta.
It's your girl Dasha.
And it's grime time.
It's a rainy day, as you can see. It's rainy. And we gonna grind people up. Anybody that walk past is gonna get grind the fuck up. Real nigga shit. Here goes somebody right now.
You wanna let the door ahead?
Hey, you know that? Hey, oh, yeah, I'm talking to you. Get that door hat on. I can nobody see you. I'm about to grind you up. I be grinding niggas up.
Like a broken table leg.
What you mean? Now let me just wait till somebody come by. I'm grinding niggas the fuck up. Meanwhile, I'm about to fuck this old head. I'm about to grind this nigga the fuck up. Y'all can't see him? Well, I can see that nigga. I can see that nigga across the street. And that nigga a fucking old ass raisin young boy. That shit like a 500-year-old fucking dog. What the fuck? Young boy. Do the stinky leg. Like, what you mean? Look. I don't even know. I don't got nothing to say. You got into this case, gotcha.
Look like a backwards power.
Yes.
He's old as shit.
Damn right. Like, let me see an old head coming down my way.
I'm gonna get on my hair side. I'm gonna hit him with my pocketbook.
Damn right. Like, what the fuck? Like, I'm like, it's early shit in the morning. I'm ready to grind somebody up. I don't know what to do. So right now, I'm gonna get funky. That's your girl Scotta. Look.
Oh, yeah.
Here goes some guy right now. I'm about to grind you up. That thick ass extensions you got in your hair, fuck out of here. I'm about to grind you the fuck up them thick ass boots you got on your feet, dickhead. What you mean, got your little daughter? You got your daughter dress on? I'm about to grind you up. That small ass umbrella, what you mean? Bears here walking. It's your girl Scotta and your girl Dasha. We gonna get funky. Hit the music, Scotta.
I ain't got my phone.
What you mean, dog?
I ain't got my phone.
Nigga. What the fuck we gonna do? I'm about to grind somebody the fuck up right now.
How about them cars cross the street?
Them sorry ass cars, dickhead. It's your girl Dasha and your girl Scotta. And we got to go.